welcome to Tom Cruise Arts and Crafts. I'm your host. Let's get started. You may be wondering, what are we making today? We have some modeling clay, a Tupperware container, some silicone mold bottles, and a 3D model of Tom Cruise's head. What we're going to make today is one of my favorite things in the world. We're making popsicles, but not just any popsicles. We're going to combine popsicles with my favorite thing in the world, Tom Cruise, to make some Tom Cruise popsicles, or as I'm going to call them for the rest of this video, Cruisicles. Let's get started. The first step is to find a 3D model of Tom Cruise. We are fortunate that there is an open source 3D model available on the website Thingiverse. It's a beautiful 3D bust of Tom Cruise. With this file, anyone with a 3D printer can print Tom Cruise. This model is available to use for free, but the license requires us to thank the creator. I would like to formally thank Thingiverse user Max7th for this awesome 3D model and his incredibly generous contribution to the Tom Cruise Arts and Crafts community. Luckily, I was able to find a 3D printer worksman on Craigslist who was willing to print a Tom Cruise 3D model. Here is the result. Even though this 3D model is just a tool for us to make our Tom Cruisicles, I'm very happy I will also have a 3D bust of Tom Cruise to keep and cherish from now on. Squeeze Tom Cruise deep into the molding clay. Squeeze him in good so there are no cracks or opening. It's gonna hurt seeing Tom in that position, but it's for his own good later on. You can get silicone molding gel at most craft store. This one comes with two types of liquids, blue liquid and pink liquid. Chemically, blue liquid and pink liquid combine to form purple liquid, which can be poured on top of the Tom Cruise head. I use a cut Tupperware container to keep the purple liquid in place. The purple liquid will become a silicone mold overnight. I was pretty nervous for the silicone mold to dry. My dream journal was pretty empty that night because I didn't get a lot of sleep. But ultimately the mold turned out great. It captured the 3D model of TC's head beautifully, and the 3D bust of TC was preserved intact. The joke on a popsicle stick can make or break the popsicle, and the same is true for Cruisicles, so I decided to write 5,000 Tom Cruise jokes to use for our Cruisicles. Popsicle stick jokes should be pleasant, inoffensive, and usually involve a pun. First, I made a listing of all the movies Tom Cruise has ever been in and his roles in these movies. There are some great hits on this list. Then, I wrote a Python script that finds words which rhymes with each of these roles. For instance, the script would find that news rhymes with the Cruise in Tom Cruise, and that punt rhymes with hunt in Ethan Hunt. The script then uses the definition of these words to construct a joke. For example, what do you get when you mix TC and information about recent important events? Tom News. What do you get when TC kicks the ball? Ethan Punt. The script isn't perfect and some are misses, but most will leave you in stitches just like they leave me in stitches. The script generated thousands of jokes. You can read them all on Tom Cruise Arts and Crafts GitHub, which I've linked to in this video's description, just in case you're making your own Tom Cruisicles and want to use some of these terrific Tom Cruise jokes. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to print out on the Cruisicle sticks, but with some diligence and some hard work, I wrote out 100 of my favorite jokes on the Cruisicle sticks themselves. Put the mold in the freezer and then pour in whatever you want to make the popsicle. I am just going to use cranberry juice because I like cranberry juice and I think cranberry Cruisicles sound yummy. It will take a few hours to freeze. After a few hours, you can take it out of the freezer and pop it out of the mold. Here's what it looks like. What do you get when you mix TC and a small red acid berry used in cooking? Cranberry Maguire. I did a taste test and it really does taste pretty yummy. Now these Tom Cruisicles I made overnight, and I thought it would be fun to end the video by reading some Tom Cruise jokes.
Pretty good. What do you get when you mix TC and an offering of fun? I believe the answer here is Mary Maguire. Let's go to Tom Cruise's goal number 2. Pretty good as well. What do you call when TC makes a play on words? I think that one is Tom Pun. Like Top Gun, but Top Pun. Top Pun. Now let's see if we can go through this last one. What do you get when you mix TC and an informal term for a mother? I believe the answer to that one is Mom Cruise. I want to dedicate this video to my mom, who always has believed in me. I also want to thank you for watching. Make sure to hit like and also hit subscribe. You will not want to miss all the Tom Cruise Arts and Crafts videos we have coming up on this channel. I'm really excited. Hit it!